Say hello to the RGB Prisma, a fun, colorful, and interactive trinket that should be on every single desk in the whole world. The concept is very simple. We have 16 RGB LEDs that let you, the user, control them in two really cool and interactive ways. We have color mode and snake mode. First, color mode. If we flick the switch all the way to the left, we'll see that the LEDs are currently flashing. And what's really happening here is that the red, green, and blue LEDs within the overall RGB are flickering at different rates. And we can actually set these rates by twisting these potentiometers. Here you can see I set blue to be very fast. I'll put it back to slow, green to very fast, and red to very fast. The cool concept about this is that you can actually mix and match the different speeds to create all sorts of cool patterns in terms of which lights turn on and which color combinations you get, whether you get cyan, magenta, or yellow, depending on when certain colors overlap. Now, additionally, every single RGB LED has an IR network tied to it that essentially lets you control whether an LED is on or off just by a simple wave of the hand. So you can see it's off, and now they're all back on. Now, that's color mode. Let's quickly go over snake mode. In snake mode, essentially, we have another really cool feature where essentially we can control a snake that goes around the entire PCB. And when I say control, we can actually set how fast that snake moves. Right now, we have the red snake going slow. If I speed it up, it's going to go really fast. Back to slow, back to fast. Cool little feature. And we can, of course, do the same thing with blue snake. Right now, it's really fast. Slow it down. And the green snake. We can have slow now, and we'll put it back to slow and super fast. Now, one really cool feature about this is that we can actually mix and match the colors. So for example, let's say that I have a very fast red snake and I want to turn on a slow blue snake after it. We not only have both snakes running, but every time they overlap, we get a cool purple snake in the middle. Let's say I want to throw green in there just for fun. Let's say I want to set green speed to something in the middle. Well, now, anytime anything overlaps, we're going to get a mix of colors, which essentially creates a really cool gradient and mixture. And it gives off this really cool motion pattern of LEDs. Whether the LEDs are turning off or on, or if you're getting certain color mixtures at certain times, just a really cool aspect that gives a really fun personality to the RGB Prisma overall. Oh, and that IR network I mentioned earlier, it works here too. Just wave your hand over LEDs and they'll turn off. Wave them back over, they'll turn right back on. And whenever you're done, you just turn off the snakes, switch back to color mode whenever you want, or snake mode. It's all in good fun. That's the RGB Prisma.